We added a new feature for tracking drawing events. Activity Insights logs drawing events to a database for you to view at any time on the Activity Insights palette. It's recommended that the database is set to a shared location so that all drawing activity is logged, no matter who's working on a drawing. The Activity Insights palette displays the past events for the drawing in order by date. Plotting and purging are events that are logged immediately. General drawing edits, working with XREFs, and other events are logged when you save the drawing. You can filter the events by date, user, and event. For the date filter, you can use a single date or a date range. Activity Insights can also track some events outside of AutoCAD, like renaming or copying a drawing in Windows Explorer.